Kolkata police at this point taking all possible measures to ensure that there's law and order in place. We're looking at in the recent Kolkata police issuing prohibitory orders after cancelling the big football event that happens in Kolkata, the Mohun Bagan versus East Bengal football match. The protesters now have been categorically banned to protest anywhere near the iconic football ground. Top cop says don't protest at Yuva Bharati Stadium. Cop saying won't allow anti-rape stir by football fans, at least not in that very ground. The Kolkata police, fearing escalation of these protests, have asked categorically for protesters not to assemble at that football ground. First, that the cops there had cancelled the football match that was scheduled, and now the clear word has gone in for protesters not to assemble at that football ground. Ritik Balekar joining us for more on that. Ritik, why don't you tell us the reason to why the cops are now being super careful on permissions being granted? Football fans have been categorically asked not to gather at that very stadium. So no protests will be allowed anywhere around the Salt Lake Stadium.
Definitely, we are currently at the Yuva Bharati Stadium. Let me show you what is exactly happening. The supporters have already started gather here, and a huge police bandobast has been done, and they are requesting that not to assemble here, and they are pushing them back. Remember, just a while from now, the Bidhanagar Police during a press conference from Bidhanagar Police Commissionerate, they ordered that the section 163 of BNSS has been imposed. Amid this situation, the cops, when they suspect that it could create ruckus once again, because remember, anticipating some ruckus during this match, very much awaited, Mohun Bagan versus East Bengal derby match, which was cancelled, and now both the fan clubs, they called for a protest rally in front of this ground. We can see a huge police deployment. I would request my camera person to show how police bandobast are being done amid this situation. We are given to understand 4 p.m. is the time, between 4 p.m. and 5 p.m. is the time when thousands of supporters are expected to gather over here, and now the cops are marching towards the main bypass. We can see some of the supporters of both the club have arrived here, and as they started sloganing, and now the cops are pushing them back from the stadium. Remember, this is a very iconic stadium of Kolkata, and today it was scheduled that this very much anticipated, much awaited, football match of derby, which the people who knows Kolkata, they know how the euphoria used to happen during this match when both the club, that's East Bengal and Mohun Bagan, comes together. Very, very unprecedentedly, this time both the clubs and the supporters, they decided that they will be united and seeking justice over this Arjikor incident. So amid this situation, police says during a press conference, they anticipate that there could be attempt to create another deterioration of law and order in the city. Possibly why they prevented supporters of both the football club to assemble over here. We are bringing live broadcast in which we can understand that cops are pushing them back. Rapid action forces have been summoned, and of course, special, the cops are geared up with all precautionary measures. We can see that both the supporters have already arrived. I see that BJP leader is here. So because BJP also, opposed this thing, they also protested. We can see that now the police is preventing any kind of gathering over here. I can see that Shomik Bhattacharya, BJP MP, is with me. Cut across to him.
देखिए, ये सही नहीं है। हम यहाँ से जा रहे हैं, देखा इसलिए खड़ा हो गया। अगर फुटबॉल और पश्चिम बंगाल, फुटबॉल और बंगाली, ये सिनोनिमस है। इसको अगर छीन लिया गया तो ये कोई हैप्पी एक्सप्रेशन नहीं
पुलिस
है।
कह रही है कि उनके अंदाजा था एक बार फिर से इस आंदोलन के आड़ में यहाँ पर हिंसा फैला सकते थे, उनके पास स्पेसिफिक इंफॉर्मेशन थी, इसके बदौलत इसे कैंसिल किया गया है।
पुलिस का पास स्पेसिफिक इंफॉर्मेशन थी, जो वो लड़की वहां रेप हुए थे, मर्डर हुए थे, उसका बाद भी पुलिस एक नोटिस इशू करके बोल दिया जो उसको ये कोई रेप और मर्डर के इंसिडेंट नहीं है। तो पुलिस का बस तो बहुत कुछ हो सकता है।
शोभिक, हम जानते हैं डार्बी बंगाली के लिए किस तरीके से ये इमोशंस रहता है, क्या इस मैच को कैंसिल करना, इस तरीके से कार्रवाई, क्या कोई भय का माहौल है सरकार के लिए या फिर पुलिस के लिए, इसलिए ये सब किया जा रहा है?
इतना दिन तो सरकार एक भर के माहौल तैयार कर दिया था, सरकार डर पैदा कर दिया था, अभी जनता ने सरकार का ऊपर एक डर का माहौल पैदा कर दिया, इसी का कारण ये हो रहा है।
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया हमसे बात करने के लिए। वी स्पोक टू सोमिक भट्टाचार्य, ही वाज passing by this stadium. It is the situation, all kind of measures are being taken by the cops to prevent any kind of gathering in front of the Yuva Bharati Stadium. Let me tell you, viewers, that 5 p.m. is the time when we expect the thousands number of supporters of the both fan clubs, East Bengal and Mohun Bagan. They will be arriving here. They will be protesting, demanding justice in this Arjikar incident, and the police says that they are anticipating it could create another round of deterioration of law and order, which is why they impose any kind of prevention on any kind of gathering in front of this stadium until this night. But the backlashes also they have started receiving, as BJP leaders have already started speaking against it and condemned this move by the cops over here in Salt Lake.